The YUCHIP Flying LED Screen features a transparent mesh with evenly spaced LED lamps. Available in P15, P20, and P30 pitch options, offering 80% light transmittance. When lit, it delivers crystal clear visuals from any angle. The screen is fully flexible and folds like fabric. The 2-4-meter flying LED screen in the video folds down to just 0.5 cm, making it easy to store and transport. Perfect for exhibitions, stages, or outdoor shows. With an IP65 protection rating, the flying LED screen is waterproof, dustproof, and impact-resistant, and it's strong enough to walk on. You can safely step on it, making it reliable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its unique mesh design allows excellent airflow, making it perfect for drone shows. The flying LED screen lights up the night sky, adding stunning visuals to your performance. Whether on stage, at an exhibition, or in aerial shows, the YUCHIP Flying LED Screen lets your creativity shine at every moment.